Hello friends, today's topic father and son suicide due to stock market losses question mark and lessons. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. This is a very shocking and sad news. A few days back, a father and son in Mumbai had committed suicide by sleeping on the railway track just as the train was approaching. There is a CCTV video available on the internet which clearly shows this sad act. As per initial reports, it is said that they committed suicide due to heavy debts caused by huge losses in stock markets. The father's name was Harish Mehta, aged 60 years, and his son Jay Mehta was around 30 to 33 years old. As per news reports, Harish Mehta's wife had passed away due to COVID-19 in 2020 and Jay had married less than 1 year back. He survived by his wife. A letter found in their father's pocket was found by the police which stated that they were themselves responsible for their death. However, during police questioning, Jay's wife informed the police that they did not have any debts. The police is examining the phone records of the father and son. They have found that Harish was involved in stock market activities. So far, the police have not found any concrete reasons for the suicide by the father and son. The police hopes to find more information from the examination of mobile phones and questioning other relatives and friends of the deceased. It is not clear whether the son's wife was not aware of the stock market losses or there was some other reason for the suicide other than stock market. There are many such cases where people commit suicide due to loss incurred from stock market trading. However, most cases don't get reported in the mainstream media or in many cases, reasons for the suicide is not clear to the police. Some common reasons for huge losses in stock market. 1. Doing intraday F&O commodities trading. 2. Taking loans and doing the above trading. 3. Having high expectations from stock markets, hence taking extremely risky trades. 4. Being overconfident of the knowledge of stock markets. 5. Taking more risk compared to our risk appetite. Now, comparing different types of investment in terms of speed. I have a suggestion that all the people have to see this video at least 3 times in order to understand the risk factor, especially Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates. Investment, bank FD, speed is only 20 kilometers per hour in terms of risk. Large cap equity mutual fund, 50 kilometers per hour. Large cap stocks investment, 60 kilometers per hour. Short term investment using technical analysis, 70 to 75 kilometers per hour. Mid and small cap stocks investment or mutual fund investments, 80 kilometers per hour. Intraday trading, 100 kilometers per hour. And F&O, commodities and forex trading, 120 kilometers per hour. An investor has to decide what kind of speed is okay for him as far as the risk is concerned. Irrespective of your knowledge of stock markets, any other instrument, there is always higher risk in stock markets compared to bank FD and similar instruments. But when you do engage in certain risk transactions with insufficient knowledge, your risk increases significantly. Most of the times, loss is incurred due to our greed and impatience. When we hear of such cases on TV, newspaper, we only feel sad, but usually people don't expect the same to happen to us since we feel very confident of our abilities and mental strength. However, it becomes a sinking feeling when we make mistakes in the stock markets and incur losses. Make sure you know your limits and risk appetite. It's better to be safe than sorry. End of the video, here is a question. Who should be held responsible for any losses incurred by us in the stock market? Broker, friends, relatives, stock market or self? Please type the right answer in the chat box. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.